Hey everyone, it's Trisha at Michigan Fine Yarns, and I just want to talk a little bit about some of our new Berroco yarns that we have in stock here and some kits that we've made. Starting off with Dash is new to us, and we have a couple of samples here. Swarens use the honeycomb stitch to make a nice easy cowl here. And then there's a sample from the Berroco books. These are online on our website already, and you can see some of the many fun different patterns here made using Dash. And then I want to talk to you about Vento. Vento is also a new yarn that we have here in the store. We've made some really fun Itzel kits here. This is what the Itzel pattern looks like. We have the Berroco Vento books online if you want to see more about that. And we have two different colorways that we've made here for the Itzel sweater. We have other Vento colors. Swaren's going to show you those over here, the different Itzel kits that we have and the other Vento colors that we have in stock. And then we also have this sample Letitia sweater vest that has these button downs here as well if you wanted to make a vest, and that's in the same Vento pattern book here. And then our other new kit that we have and the other fun yarn that we have that we're excited about is Berroco Renew. And we have kits featuring the Aoife sweater, some fun cables here. The details on it are beautiful. And we have kits in this in all of our Renew colors.